everyone, my name is Neha Thakur. When I decided to pursue a career as a medical lab assistant, I researched multiple colleges and shortlisted four. What made Western Community College stand out were its excellent reviews and affordable fee structure, making it the perfect choice for me. My journey at Western Community College was an incredible learning experience. The instructors were very supportive, especially my instructor, Navita, who played a key role in shaping my skills. One of the best aspects of the program was the hands on training. We were required to complete 60 pokes, but thanks to the multiple batches at the Western Community College, I got to practice 80. That extra experience made a huge difference in my confidence and skills. For future students, my advice is simple: listen to your instructors. They have a wealth of real world experience and always there to guide you. Ask questions, take notes, and most importantly, be a people's person. Making patients feel comfortable is a crucial part of the job. If I had to describe Western Community College in one word, I would say it's College of Excellence.